Hi everyone! I have another unboxing video for you today. This time, it's the My Little Attic Studio Workshop Kit of Nenette Samson-Madero. I love this color combination that she used for the box and the ribbons. It's something that I have used in one of my scrapbook layouts before. Attention to detail is so impeccable, something that Nenette has mastered all through these years. Without a doubt, this kit was designed in the style and personality of Nenette, elegant and personalized. As you can see here, the keychain has my name and the initial of my last name. Very nice indeed, isn't it? Each participant received the same, their first name and the initials of their last name. Nenette has mentioned that this kit is a feast for all senses, and that includes the olfactory sense, the sense of smell. Whenever one receives a package from Nenette or from her store, My Little Attic Studio, you'll immediately fall in love with it even before seeing the contents of the package. That's just me. So imagine, when I opened this box, it was even 4 times the intensity. Can anyone guess what scent it was? You can see the wax seal is another elegant touch applied in this kit. It has the store's initials and logo. The shredded paper is like icing on the cake. I kept these bits in a Ziploc because I wanted to preserve the scent. You can tell that my olfactory sense is at the forefront of my senses. Nenette included a welcome card with her very own handwriting. We also have here a watercolor palette in lovely colors. And this pouch which contains so many useful things, such as this liquid glue, a water brush pen, stamping block, blending brushes, washi tapes, and a fine tip bottle, a ruler and tweezers, a metallic marker, a sand eraser, a mechanical pencil, and this printed vellum. We also have a dropper and an Altenew mini stamp. We also have 3 containers which has the embossing powders of gold, white, and clear. And a cleaning cloth which is very useful in cleaning your stamps and what have yous, along with the cleaning solution. A watercolor pan and a ceramic plate, perfect in mixing your watercolor. We also have VersaFine ink cubes in different colors and a pack of yums. We also have an expandable container for your water and this blue ornament of flowers which you can use for journaling, 3D foam stickers, stencil, beautiful. We also have different colored envelopes and cardstocks. And these are the kits prepared by the design team of My Little Attic Studio. Let's check them out. This first one is by Ime. This one is by Danielle, Karen, Net, Anna, and Marian. So these kits are for the workshop classes. This is the Magnolia Blooms project kit by Altenew, and you know what? This was designed by Nenette's very own daughter for Altenew, Isabel-Madero, a very talented young lady. So this is complete. It has the stamps with sentiments and the flower design. Really lovely. And the stencil set, layered stencils. And this is the cutting die. And also the embossing folder. Look how lovely it is. There you go. It's complete. This is how Altenew designs their kits. And also as a bonus, we have a black tote bag with your initials on it. So there, that is the complete guide to the contents of this kit for our workshop for this year by My Little Attic Studio. So Nenette conducts these workshops every November. So I hope you can join us for next year when My Little Attic Studio opens up their workshops again. And because it is a feast of senses, this kit contains these pack of goodies, and I'm going to sample one. Cannot resist, chocolates. So chocolates come second to my olfactory sense. There you go. So thank you for joining me again for this unboxing video. These are 3 out of the 6 projects that I was able to make on the same day of the classes. If you want to see more, you can check out my Instagram account, Tina1Kenobi. So thank you again, and till next time. Bye-bye now.